what I needed. Just what I needed.
Hello everyone, it's me Ivan, a 9-year-old boy. Today I'll show you how to make part 19 of Super Mario. Yeah, last time we played the Red Koopa. It's like a 7-minute or 9-minute video, so this video will be like longer, so just stay tuned. Now, if you didn't like yesterday's, like if you don't want to add the Red Koopas into your game, you can skip it because it's not that hard. It's not that like you don't have to do it if you don't want like different types of Koopas in your game, or at least you don't want new enemies right now. But today we're gonna add something new. Today we're gonna add like remember, oh, I need to stop this wooden block. The mushroom power up. You see now the mushroom power up, like when you collect it, it does nothing but just a sound. So today we're gonna actually add the mini so when you start, you just be a mini Mario, and when you pick up the mushroom, you be Super Mario. I'll also add power down. You will also, and the next like episode 20 of our tutorial, I will show you the poison mushroom and the life mushroom, how to add them, because I don't really want to like stuck all the like same type enemies in one go. I don't like I'm not the person that likes to do that. So just stay tuned and you will make your best Mario game you ever seen. Okay, let's start. First, the Mario sprite. You should see like just these costumes, which is not really exciting. But then we will go to, I'm just gonna show even like the real one. If you don't want to press view all like and scramble through all my projects, click on your project and drag your new Mario sprite out, but be careful not to delete like the wrong one. So that's why we always save as a copy. Now you see we got all the new Mario costumes. First, I just need to Mario Def. Yeah, I need to start from 11 and keep dragging to 30. But it's like, just don't drag the Mario big costumes, because if you do, it's just a waste of time. And also just keep dragging until costume 30 and costume 11. And then when you're done, because it might be slow, you could just pause the video, or if you think I'm doing too fast, just pause the video. The other, like the fire one, like the red one you see, is like for the next episode. Because next episode we're gonna add like the fire Mario, so we can shoot fireballs. So we don't need to keep squishing Goombas and never getting rid of Koopas until you roll it off of the stage. Like roll it off like into a hole. Come on, you can. Okay, these are the throwing costumes. Did I? Oh, I did. Okay, this 30. Yep. It's 30. You should have all these costumes, and the total number should be 30. Or else you have to keep checking your costume if you got missing one, or you added like double the one. Now go into code and let's get started. Now as you see, when we like start, oh, the new Mario's here. That's the other Mario sprite, just don't worry about it. It's actually pretty cool. Wait, what? What's this Mario sprite doing? Oh, I'm just gonna use that. It's this sprite. And now if you do it, I hope it's not going to create a whole lot of new variables because I just accident. Well, it made our variables for us. I'm going to delete it in the next episode, just be mine. So let's actually get started what we're doing today. And die. Okay, go into the Mario sprite and locate the define paint costume. Now let's instead of switch costume to suspicious, like the exact costume. I know it's still gonna be exact costume, but make a new variable and name it Mario for all sprite. I made Mario over here because since I got scratch shadows, I can just make variable in here. See? Now we can set Mario to Mario over here. We don't. It's not just when we set Mario to Mario, it's just nothing. Then the first switch costume, put a drawing operator, a Mario on the left, and on the right. Let me see. Crouch, capital R. Capital C. As you see, Mario, just take it out from the Mario variable and copy the else in the right. And for the second one, put that. It's a violent word, but oops, no. Okay, then for the next one, if you have the order same as me, in the if orders, it's very important. Or you can jump when you're losing a life, so you don't want that. So I'm saying next so that you can specify that which order. And next is jump. Then it's walk street. Weird names, but walk street. Correct. Yep. And the last one, turn. TURN, but a capital T. Now just test your project as always if everything's working well. If you see some glitches or if you see your Mario's not doing well, see if you have your turn is instead of if you're not turning into the right costume, then you have to go double check this paint sprite script now. Because it's all about this. If you don't have it correct, then you're not being able to complete the episode. So yeah, let's continue starting. Now we have this Mario drawing installed. We can now go add new if checks because in this whole tutorial I may add Mario slide, or if I can find the way how to code it. It takes a long time to code different scripts if you want it to be perfect like real Mario. I see some lots of people do the flying Koopas jump around very high, so it takes a long time if you want to do it right. So yeah, let's get started on making the Mario be mini. Just wait. At the very bottom, put a switch costume to Mario drawing walk 1. Because it's walking, so you don't want it to be switching to Mario turn and keep moving on 1 plus. Probably it's when it's Mario turn, it will just move forward for costume, it will do Mario turn, jump, crouch, then slide, and that one makes no sense. If it's a Mario death, it will make big mini walk 1, mini walk 2. Yeah, so it makes no sense. So yeah. So you have to switch it to Mario walk 1. A good test, and just before I end, the switch costume for the 1 is supposed to be a costume number. And then remember to set Mario to Mario here. Duplicate and set it to mini with a capital M. Set Mario to mini. And now could have just gotten screen. I need like a small platform here. I need like a small platform here to test my things. Crouch. So bumping platforms. Yeah. Now this is a testing area. If I set it to click the mini, set Mario to mini, now you should see like, oh yeah, crouch makes a big square because it's supposed to be big. Anyway, when you fix some stuff, Mario can't go under 1 block wide because hitbox is not like treated same as the big Mario. And also, but everything else except the crouching and the fitting under block is working good. Now you see if we bump blocks, but just like bit like a gap between. We need to tweak the Mario costume. And when the squish, yes, good. Koopa shells, roll, yes. Can't get under the block, yes. Yes. And die, yes. Good. Now, like, how about if we set it to fire? Tricky. If you have the costume, you should have it. Ooh, now you should see the fire also is like a big Mario but red and can shoot fireballs like a power. So you also got the crouch, dying. Everything's working good. How about if you bump head a block? Yes, that's working good. How about, yeah, everything's working good except the mini Mario. So we can actually, but now we have the choice. At the start, we can just set it to mini, and when we touch the mushroom, we can set it to Mario. Now let's actually fix the, like with Mario's mini and you crouch the big purple square. It's not a bug, but just, wait, what? It's just like, it doesn't switch the existing costume. But I'm going to switch it back to big, and you can crouch again and crouch on partners. But we need to fix that eventually. So locate the defined handle keys, jump, crouch. And here, in the if down of controller is greater than 0, you have to insert the and check not Mario equals mini. So it's not going to crouch when it's mini. It's not even going to show the purple square. Oops, what did I do wrong? Here, okay. And now, wait, I can crouch in Big Mario. Now locate the tone paint sprite. And set it to regular, set it to Mini Mario. And yeah, if you press the down key, I am actually pressing down key, everything will work like well. Good. Now we got everything good. We need to actually change the hitbox. And you see, if you bump a block, oh my god. You see that? Try your own if you did it like code this whole episode up. When you bump a block, see it's like your Mario like doesn't like change it to like it got some gaps between the blocks. We can actually can I kick shells? Can I flip shells? Oh, I can't. Maybe just invincible. So we might fix that in the later episode, but not now. Now we need to add switching Marios, and now fixing the hitbox is actually pretty simple. You don't need like 200 stacks and stacks of code. Just locate simply locate the fixed collision in direction DXDY, and then you see now if not player action equals crouch over here is this. If you can just simply insert the or and check it. If not player action, like you don't need to add another not because the or already. If player action is not equal to, how about, yeah, it's not equal to mini. Mario I meant, not player action. No player actions mini. No such thing as player actions mini. So now beautifully, wait, you know, locate the paint spray back again, and also I'll do when M key press is like switches to Big Mario, and when, how about what's after M? What's here after M? Oh, N. When N key press switches to Mini Mario. Now it's gonna be good. Min, N. Now you should see. Oh wow. Let's see this. I can't believe this. Now you can crawl under a block in Mini Mario, but you cannot still jump, and it's not making the Make Skid Smoke block. That's so beautiful. And now you should see, if I bump a block, there's no of those weird spaces behind. Like, just one little change to like adding or and another another equals, it changes like almost everything of the game. But you could still collect 2 blocks high coins, but that's not a problem. Wait, let me see if I can die in Mini Mario mode. With Koopa shells. Oh yes, I can. Good to know. But now I'm gonna check only if you don't have to, but for when M key press, you switch it to Mario, and I'm gonna duplicate when F key press, you switch it to fire. Set Mario to fire. And I'll also, all of this I'm gonna surround them with the if, not because it's like not real code, but I'm gonna put equals on all of them and username on all of them. We have 1, 2, 3. Okay, just 3. And also check like whatever username you want to only use. You can add an or, like stacks and stacks of ors here, or stacks and stacks of ifs. Or if you want different players, like different people have different power, you can have like if else. I'm just gonna check yes tutor since I'm using this account. And now if I switch it to probably I'm gonna actually switch it to one of my friends' name. I'm sure that I'm gonna play my game now. And then if I click F, nothing changes. Only M changes me too, and N changes me. So you really just have to make your user, and capitalization spaces also count. So just be careful of that. Yay, Mario! I can still crouch. That's, oh my god, not perfect. And I can't get the mushroom. Okay, now we need to add something else. 2 more things before two main more things before we end this episode. When you're in Big Mario mode, when you get damaged, you shouldn't just die out. Like you should turn into Mini Mario. So not just you just die, because you got like a mushroom power. Mushroom power means 1 more life. But it doesn't mean like the life mushroom. The life mushroom gives you lives, like not like in the game, but like if you die 3 times, you like start 3 times, but I'm not gonna add that. It's easy. Try to figure it out, and everything will be okay. Very now, we haven't even added a sound for Big Mario. For upgrade. Now go into the sound sprite and go find the where is it? Power up, and power down, and drag it into the Mario sprite. And then you should have these 2 power. And now drag out. In the enemy sprite, I go find the define tick life. Now we're gonna add like the uses. And if touching Mario, broadcast the new message named collect mushroom power or wherever you like. And I'm gonna name it like a grow up so we can know which one is which. And go into the Mario sprite, drag out a winner receive collect mushroom power grow up, and then put an if, checking if Mario equals Mario, like the capital M but other lowercase, then if not, if not equal to Mini Mario, I meant stop the script. We will be done. But if else, if not else, but if it's not that, we can set Mario to Mario. And let's test. That's gonna be good. Well, I need to change it back to Mini Mario with the keys. Now if I collect it, oh, I changed it to Super Mario. And now I'm just gonna do it again when we are Super Mario so I can test nothing goes wrong. Yes. Nothing like weird glitches goes wrong. I'm be also gonna scram some Koopa shells. Oh my god. My special Koopa shell. Now I'll just literally stop playing because I've been playing for thousands of times and okay. Now let's add so that when we add, like we have an animation because it looks a bit weird when we just scroll up randomly, like from Mini Mario to Super Mario. Now I'm gonna clean up blocks, cancel, and locate the one back in the when I receive. Okay. Collect mushroom, grow up mushroom by me. And I'm gonna add a comment. This is how you add a comment. Right, left click, and then say like, or just double click with your mouse, and say I'm gonna just put it there. You don't need to put it. You don't have to. It's not like a code. I'm gonna be. I just want to remember what we're doing, so I can continue making the Mario power up sign. Okay, now let's start. And I almost forgot, we need to start sound like power up at the before. And before that, put a stop other script and sprite. You should see like when I do this, I'm not gonna click it, but it's like a end block. It's also I think it copied the stop all and stop the script, but when it appears, no, it's not end block. And then put a switch costume to Mario transform. Where is it? Mario Mario. Oh, here it is. Finally found it. And then repeat to. We always need to broadcast the position tiles. Wait 0 seconds before switch costume, and then repeat to broadcast position tiles. And then switch costume to Mario Walk 1 and broadcast position tile again. I'm gonna also take out the set Mario to Mario. I'm gonna also set it to Mini. Duplicate one and set it to Mini so I can actually no, I'm gonna need it because I already got the one end key pressed. And now I'll end and then jump. Get the now everything pauses because we stopped other scripts and sprite, right? So it does nothing because it does something, but it does like really nothing to help us because we stopped other script. We run the initial game loop yet, but we're not gonna run it now. Now let's for second repeat put repeat 3, and then surround both like now you see on screen with a repeat 3. And then now we need to make a new custom block named Loop Transformation without the run without screen refresh. I'm not sure what it is called, but I'm just gonna do growing up animation because I don't know how to spell the transformation, whatever it's called. Growing up animation, and never take the the run without screen refresh. Or your animation won't come up. and put it over here. I'm going to delete that, but we're making it right now. And instead of switch costumes, Mario walk 1, put join Mario with walk 1, as we always do. And then first, for growing up animation blocks there, is then set Mario to Mario. Where's my set Mario to Mini? Set Mario. I'm just gonna do. Oh yeah, I don't need it. And then grow up animation again. Actually, yeah. When N key pressed, yes. Look at this. I'm just gonna smack the Goomba in the face. Okay. Oh yeah, it did work. Oh yeah, see? But we didn't run the game loop anywhere now, so continue. Now let's finally actually broadcast a new message that's gonna help us. Broadcast a new message and name it level continue I don't know, continue game loop, like that. And then go locate define game loop. Define level start game loop. Which one is level start game loop? Yeah. And then drag out when I receive. When I receive level. When I receive level continue game loop, then put the game loop block there. Where's the game loop? Custom block. I need to fix something. Co-locate to define game loop, the real one. And then instead to set coins to 0, we can't put a 0, or else every time we grow up, the coins will set to 0 if it's more than 1. Oops, what did I do? I need to undo that action. Oh yeah, I probably deleted this wrong. Now, put that over here. Put that over here. Where is it again? Level start game loop. Put it under that level start game loop. And you can just keep pasting stuff if you want. And now, oh my god, please. Okay, we're safe. And if I just press N, you can turn to Mini Mario, bump the block, and I'm just gonna make sure I can go here. Usually, for Mini Mario, you can just go on the edge of this piranha pipe. Oh yeah, it's still gonna kill me if I go too close. So now if you collect the mushroom, oh wow, look at this. We can move and we're in Super Mario mode. I'm Super Mario. But we still have to implement when we die. Like, man. So it's basically impossible to die in Super Mario unless you're falling down a hole. Then now, locate the level respawn game loop. And then between the reset player and the game loop block over here, put a set coins to 0 too. And now following the reset player, I'm not sure if you could have just put it in the reset player to set coins to 0. At the very bottom, not after the set speed Y to 0, but before this pointed direction 0, set Mario to Mini. So we always start as Mini. So if I just go press M and become Super Mario, if I restart, I'm in Mini Mario. Cool. I'm just gonna bump the block and try again. Woohoo! Ha! Turn to Mini Mario. Yeah, I just pressed N during that power down. Power. Now everything's looking good. We just need to fix one more thing. Mainly one more thing. And that is when Mario dies, because when you're in Super Mario, you shouldn't just die. You should turn to Mini Mario, because since you collected the power for a word, it's not just a word. It's not just for different costumes for a word. Then no one will just collect that mushroom power for no reason. So yeah, we really need to actually do the same thing. Now, go locate the one. We need to go into the enemy sprite and locate the defined tick Goomba first, as always. And then at the very bottom, you should see the broadcast lose life, Mario lose life. Instead of that, make a new message and name it Mario hurt. Done. And then next, go into Tick Piranha and change it also to Mario hurt. Take life, not take life, take Koopa Shell, change to Mario hurt. And now, when I touch the Goomba, nothing should appear to me. Oh, I'm invulnerable. And the Piranha, nope. How about Koopas? Nope. We can get killed, and they can kill us. And we can't even. Okay. You see that if I still fall in the hole, you still die. Now it's like before, but when you fall in the hole, you get the animation. Like before, when we didn't add the dying, but it's just more advanced and more costume, more things, more items, whatever. Now we can sort of control the when Mario gets hurt. Now go into the Mario sprite and drag out whenever see Mario hurt. Event. Now just go into Mario and locate the defined lose a life. Mario lose life. Nope. Yep, here. And then beside it, I'm gonna make some space. Here. Cancel. Now I drag out a when I receive Mario hurt. And then if Mario equals mini. So in case it's mini and it broadcasts the Mario hurt, it will not just power down. There's no way to power for mini Mario. Unless you've invented a Mario called Tiny Mario and then die. If Mario equals mini, broadcast Mario lose life. Mario lose life, just lose life. Mario lose life. And then stop this script. And then stop other scripts and sprite. And then wait 0 seconds. Start sound. Power down. Growing up animation. I should have named it growing up. I'm just gonna change growing up /down. So, okay. And this /down animation. Then set Mario to mini. And then growing up and down animation again. Now, if I just go into the Mario mode, I shouldn't just die and I just turn to regular Mario, but I also need to broadcast the level continue game loop. Awaiting level continue game loop. Now, we touch enemy, burn. Wait, sorry. I didn't turn into a Super Mario. When we touch an enemy, but we need some invulnerability. So as soon as we power down, we turn to we got killed, and we can't even move during that because we stopped under script and sprite. So it makes no sense. It's basically unfair to add, and makes no sense to add that if we just keep it like that. But we're gonna fix that right now, and I wish I could shoot fireballs. Now, make a new variable named invulnerable. So just please don't blame if I spell invulnerable wrong, and it's for this sprite only. And now I'm gonna locate the defined paint sprite for some space over here. And then I will drag a whenever see position tiles. And checking if invulnerable is greater than 0, change it invulnerable by -1, and then the if else, checking if, and then if mod invulnerable mod 2 is equal to 1, set brightness to, is this set brightness? Set ghost to 0, or else set ghost to 99. Just first locating the Mario hurt. We're not done. Oh, we had to delete this Mario hurt. Okay, and at the very beginning, insert if. Check it if invulnerability. Oh, we also need to set it to 70 over here. Invulnerable is set to 70 or down here, and then check invulnerable is greater than 0. Then stop the script. Now Mario invulnerability, and of course we didn't even reset the ghost effect, and you just set it to 0. Am I showing? Not equal 1 here, it's a less than 1 in the if else. So now we should be invulnerable. Now die! Oh, oops, go. I'm in big trouble. I forgot. Ha! Now I'm invulnerable. Now you should see it. When I get like hurt, I'm gonna get a Cooper shell. I just get like invulnerable for some time. Like the enemies can't kill me, and I don't do anything to the enemies. So yeah, it's basically fair, so that you just don't just continue losing your life after. So if we add the Fire Mario, then it's gonna be Super Mario, Mini Mario, and bam, finished for you. Just Fire Flower and Mushroom, and you only get like. You only get 1 life. So like, okay, let's now I think it's pretty much the end of this episode. Just gonna hide the variable. Now just 2 last things we need to do. The first one is simple, like under the reset player, we need to set invulnerable to 0, and go into the handle keys. Up, jump, chest, crouch. And in the if jumping equals 1 over here, search them jump. Check if Mario equals Mini. If it is, then set jumping to 3. So we jump shorter. So that we actually make like we're now like something else that's good for Super Mario. So it can jump higher. And now, yes. Now, let's see one thing. And actually, switches Goomba. If I just make something taller, like that, can I jump with Super Mario? Nope. Probably take out these 2 blocks. I cannot jump with this with Super Mario. I'm not dealing with that Goomba. Okay, I'm just gonna plug this into it for now. Now, if I jump, can I jump with Super Mario this? Oh, I still can. And I can't jump with Super Mario like this. Oh my god, I need to take out the Goomba. And see, I can't jump this high with Mini Mario, but if I turn to Super Mario, I can jump this high. Woohoo! Now we're actually making something good. Well, this is another end of the episode. If you enjoyed another end of the tutorial, man. If you enjoyed it, please smash the like button and subscribe for more Europe teaching videos. And see ya next time. Bye. I hope you have a great day. And next episode, we're gonna add the 2 different types of mushrooms. And next we're gonna have fireballs. Yay!
Just what I needed. Just what I needed. needed. Just what I needed.
可以了，你这个录着没用，我要自己录，因为这个上。